puro sexy. Ako naman mataba.
Marami daw mga kabataan, good-looking macho man.
Wala man sa kanilang itsura.
Isa akong full-time mom. Pero hindi ako kontento na ganun na lang ang buhay ko.
Hindi porket nerd kami, hindi namin kaya makipag-compete in a physical setting.
Kasi kaming lawyers are always viewed as intellectual persons. We also know how to have some fun.
Lahat sila may ibubuga.
Never stop dreaming. Keep moving.
Try and try and don't give up.
Until you die. Small but terrible.
Subukan natin.
Underdog man ang dating. Walang uurungan ang mga tunay na amazing.
Kami mismo ang gagawa ng story namin.
No fear. We only settle for number 1.
Bring them on.
Ilan lang sila sa nais makasama sa mas amazing na karera. Ito ang mas pinalaking karera ng bansa. The Amazing Race Philippines Season 2. Abangan exclusively on TV5. The Amazing Race Philippines Season 2 was powered by Rexona. It won't let you down. And sponsored in part by the following.